Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication. This secures your account and unlocks iCloud Plus features. Once signed in, back up any critical data so you can revert if needed. Then go to Settings, tap iCloud, and pick Manage Storage to choose an iCloud Plus plan that fits your needs. Make sure to select the storage size and any bundled features like Private Relay. After purchase, allow a few minutes for the plan to activate across devices. Once your plan is active, enable iCloud Drive, Photos, and device backups to start syncing files and media. Next, turn on Private Relay to protect browsing and hide my email for unique aliases. These improve privacy instantly. Also configure Home and Health Sync if you use smart devices or fitness tracking, and review the device list to ensure only your gadgets are connected. Make sure to monitor storage usage. If you hit limits, upgrade or offload large files to keep syncing uninterrupted. To finalize, organize storage and add family members to share your iCloud Plus plan. This reduces cost and centralizes settings. Make sure automatic backups and photo library optimization are set so devices use space wisely. If sync stalls, toggle the specific iCloud setting off then on, restart the device, and confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection. These steps fix most issues. If activation or billing problems continue, contact Apple support and have your Apple ID and purchase info ready for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.